How to fix Geenie Camera not connected to Wi-Fi. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're facing the issue where your camera is not connected to your Wi-Fi on the Geenie app, this is how you fix it. The very first thing you're going to have to check is your internet connection. See if your internet connection is stable or not. To do that, open up your settings menu. And once you open up your settings, tap on the connections option. And once you land on this page, you're going to have to find your Wi-Fi network. And if you're connected to any Wi-Fi network, you can just go back and try switching over to mobile data. So simply go ahead and scroll it down on your notification panel and turn on mobile data, turn off Wi-Fi. Once you do that, try opening the app and see if that fixes it. And if you are on mobile data, you can turn it off and turn on Wi-Fi, and then see if that fixes the issue. But if it's not fixing your problem, then in that case, just go ahead and open up your Google Play Store app and search for Geenie. Make sure that the app is up to date. So simply go ahead and tap on the app. If you see an update button here instead of open, just update the app to its latest version. The next step you can do is long press and hold on the Geenie app. Tap on the I button that you see right beside the name to go to app info. Head over to storage and tap on clear cache. Then just go back, head over to permissions, and make sure all of these permissions are allowed because the app requires them to run smoothly. And finally, you can just give your phone a quick restart and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.